So PLU programming, you can see page 64 for the different, what the different numbers mean for PLU programming, just in the case of activating a PLU, which is a price lookup. That would basically be if we wanted to add a rum and coke as a price lookup item, and if we wanted to add a Jack and Coke as a price lookup, you can add up to 500 PLUs for utilization in the system. And what that does is basically, so you don't have to, or even if you want to do a basic or premium spirits price lookup, you could do that. And that's basically so you don't have to just enter the price every single time and press the open cocktail. You can just press the number and then PLU, and then it tells you what the price is, and it's automatically pulled up so that you don't have to do it anymore. So you can change the status first on page 64, so that involves actually activating it. The price change is very similar to what you did for the department change. So the price, you basically go to P, and this time it is 200 subtotal, and then the PLU number. So you just basically type in 1 and then PLU. So that's the only number that we currently have active. And then you can change the price just using this. So if I wanted to change it to $2, I press $2 X time. And so that will have changed the PLU now to $2. And then again, you can go right down the line with all the ones that are active. So you can go 2 PLU, you can do 22 PLU, you can do 499 PLU, whatever you have. You just go right down the line pressing the number, the PLU, the price, and then X time, and then PLU, everything else. And then to exit out of it, cash tender. So if you want to change the name for PLUs is 2, so 20, and then it's a 3-digit code because it goes all the way up to 500. So in this case, it's 20001. That is my name of my PLU. You click subtotal, and then now you have the counter. Again, it's 12 characters. And so if I just want to say my name of PLU number 1 is whiskey, I can basically just type in WHY and then subtotal, and then that sets PLU number 1 as whiskey. And then to exit out, and then so you go through, change whatever you want to by typing in the PLU numbers, typing subtotal every time, and then that'll get you to where you've changed them all. To exit out, cash tender, and it's done. If you want to change the PLUs, and if you want to change the departments back, so if you want to change the departments to number 1 is cocktails, number 2 is cigars, number 3 is whiskey, number 4 is whatever, you can essentially change those departments back, and then you can also link the PLU to it. So let's say you have number 1 PLU is Glenmorangie, number 2 is Talisker, number 3 is Lagavulin. You can set those PLUs, and then you can actually link those PLUs to the department, so you don't necessarily need to press the department every single time. And so that linking can be done on page 67.